Everyone wants big money, big return in the stock market, but very few can make it reality. The reason is we all follow the stocks. We forget sector, and we all know that sector trend is changing. If some year you can see that some year pharma is growing, some other year IT sector is growing. So in today's video, I am going to share all the points which is required to find the trending sector. I will give you the list of sector and all the points. So just I am sharing the mind map. Yes. Understanding sectoral indices in the stock market. Point 1. What are sectoral indices? Sectoral indices are a group of companies from the same sector combined to track their performance together. So it is very simple thing. Sectoral indices are a group of companies. Okay. Each index consists of top companies. Each index consists of top companies from that sector listed on the exchange. For example, Nifty IT, Nifty Bank, Nifty Pharma, etc. Second point, why are sectoral indices important? It is helpful to identify strong or weak sectors, useful for sector-based investing, basis for launching ETFs and mutual fund, aid in diversification and risk management. So if we forget sector, then diversification will be very difficult. And if we hold all the companies from one sector, it will be very risky for all of us. Who creates sectoral indices? It is created by a stock exchange like National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange and managed by index committees of experts. Criteria and methodology are transparent and regulated. Point 4, only 4 points are remaining. After then, we will go to TradingView chart and we will compare the sectors. How are sectoral indices created? At first, define the sector. Select top stocks from the sector based on market cap, liquidity. Assign weights, usually by free float market cap. Free float market cap is number of outstanding share. Exclude promoters holding or government holding. Calculate the index value based on base year. Review and rebalance periodically. Fifth point. Now I am going to share you list of NSE sectoral indices. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Nifty Bank, banking sector, Nifty IT sector, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Pharma, Nifty Auto, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Realty, Nifty Metal. You should check all the sector every month without skipping a single month. Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty Private Bank, Nifty Energy, Nifty Media, Nifty Healthcare, Nifty Customer Durable, Nifty Oil and Gas, Nifty Services Sector, Nifty Commodities, Nifty Infrastructure. 6 point. How to use sectoral indices in investing? Compare sector performance to spot trends. Invest in strong sector or emerging sectors. Use in technical analysis with indicator. Helps with timing your entry into stocks. Now conclusion. Sector indices gives us clear picture of market sectors, and by understanding them you can make smarter and more informed investment decision. Now moving to the chart. So you can compare, there are two ways to compare the sector. One is, here you can compare with plus point. Okay, Nifty IT is already open here. You can plus button and Nifty 50, select Nifty 50. You can see here Nifty at present Nifty, this is the candle of Nifty IT, and this line is for Nifty 50. It means Nifty IT is underperformed from market. Okay, now I am putting one more, Nifty Financial Services. Nifty Financial Services. This line is for Nifty Financial Services. You can see Nifty Financial Services is outperforming. Okay. And other way, one more way, from relative strength you can compare. Just open relative strength and from setting, select Nifty 50 here. And now open, at present Nifty IT is already opened here. Okay, so here you can see this zero line is for Nifty 50 and this blue line is for Nifty IT, and if blue line is below than zero line, it means Nifty IT is underperforming. Okay, now open Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank, you can see Nifty Bank is above zero line. This zero line is for Nifty 50 and this blue line is for Nifty Bank. So this blue line is above than zero line. It means Nifty Bank, at present Nifty Bank is stronger than Nifty 50. So if you want to choose the sector, you will choose Nifty Bank, not Nifty IT. So in this way, you can select the trending sector. That's all from my side. If you found this video useful, please press the like button and put your question in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed my channel as yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much.